Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from Jimmy. This is the B-Winch R9 Pro Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier. So basically it gives you filtered water, hot and cold as well. This is how the box looks like. You can see how the water purifier actually looks like right here on the front. It's actually really slick. I like the gray color. It actually matches my kitchen, which where I'm gonna set it up. We have some specs right here on the side. So 7-stage RO filtration, 6 different hot water for different drinks, 10 degrees Celsius cold water instant refreshment, and 6 intelligent design smart interactions. And obviously you have customized water temperature for everything, formula, tea, coffee, whatever you want. But yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. This is how the box looks like. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's easy to carry by one person, by the way. It's not super heavy. But let's go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. Of course, we'll start with the small stuff first. So they included 2 sachets of descaler. Obviously, hard water can damage everything that runs water, I guess. So it's good that they included this. From time to time, it's best to descale everything. We have an instruction manual right here. It's a very detailed one. It will tell you everything you need to know: how to fill it up, how to plug it in, how to change filters, and all the functions. So I suggest you give this one a read before using it. It will tell you everything you need to know about the water purifier and obviously how to get the most out of it. We have a quick start guide in Arabic, which is basically the same one we have in English at the top, which I'm going to show you in a second. Tells you everything you need to know about the child lock button and the quick start guide. Obviously, if you need more info, you can scan that QR code right there. This is the same instruction manual but in Arabic. So on the top right here, quick instructions on the cooling function, filter replacement and filter life, child lock function instructions, and raw water alarm. It has an alarm. If it detects that your filter has gone, it will give you an alarm that you need to replace it and that water is not good. They included 2 pure water cups. This is one of them. I'm gonna keep it sealed, and this is the one that I took out. Basically, this one will go basically in here. It will be a cup with pure water all the time. You don't have to turn it on and off all the time. It's just water is just gonna be stored here. Filtered water. At the top right here we have the filters number 1, 2, and 3. We have this nice cover. Right here we have the water recipient, so you will see that we have some holes, basically some sockets at the bottom. That's where the water will go through into the filter to purify it. Right here we have a stand. Basically this stand will attach just like so. It will attach just like so to the water purifier, and basically you're good to go. And as you can see, the water cup has 2 sockets at the bottom. That's for that, and basically all you have to do is just put it in there and it will be ready to use. Basically just like that. Of course everything runs powered, there's no battery involved, so this is a UK mains cable. And apart from that, we got the touch screen display, which I'm gonna show in a second when everything is turned on. And that's it. That's how everything works and looks like. That's what you get inside the box. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything works when it's fully set up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I have set up the filter in my kitchen. I choose the kitchen table because it's got enough space and I'm not using it for much anyway. Don't have enough power outlets on my worktop right there. But basically this is how it looks like. This is the size of it. As you can see, I'm comparing it to my hands. super tiny, super compact. I have filled up the tank with water from the tap, and as you can see the source TDS right here, it's 530, and the purified water that already ran through filters and it's clean has 0.08 TDS, which is this one right here. I want to show you guys the cooling function, which is pretty cool. Obviously before you turn it on, you have to rinse it a few times and then replace the water. After that you should be good in starting the cooling function on. All you have to do is press this for 5 seconds. That will flash when it's ready. My one is ready obviously. So now if I want some cold water, I'll just select cold right here. This will light up. I'll select 120 milliliters, press once. It will drain water from this container that holds pure water. As you can see, it's slowly going down. It's gonna stop once it reaches 120 millimeters. So right about now. And right here I have purified cold water ready to serve, which tastes absolutely amazing, by the way. And now it's gonna take water from the tank from here, run it again through filters, and this is gonna fill right back up to its fill level. It also can do hot drinks, like we have tea, milkshakes, honey, formula, even a button for formula. It's the exact temperature you need for all of this. All you have to do, for example, you select tea, put a cup in there with a tea satchel, press the tea button, that's it. It will give you enough water for your tea. You can also select the sizing, how many milliliters you want. And if you guys can hear something in the background, it's the filters running. This is super easy to replace the water. All you have to do is just take this cover back out, lift this up, fill it, and that's it. You're ready to go. Again, I would suggest consulting the manual for anything, so you can actually learn how this works. But in my opinion, it's a pretty cool gadget, and it's a must-have in every house. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.